Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome back to another Stamp Club reveal. And this is the reveal for June of 2024, our original club. It's another one of those sets you're never going to take off your desk. We're making too many now. Your desk is getting full, isn't it? But this is a good one. Are you ready for this? This one is called Say It with Encouragement. Now, it's another one of our Say It sets, and we've done this a little bit different. In the past with our Say It's, we've had really big words and then words that go with it, but this time we did smaller big words, if you want to call them that, and a lot of sentiments to go with it or work without it. And I'll show you in our samples how you can use it, but you'll be able to use this one everywhere. So let's look at our big words. So big words are you, your, and remember. I loved remember. I thought that was really cool. Now you also will notice that you have small u and small your, because you can use them with these as well. And let's talk about what they say. This one says, make a difference. I'm so proud of. Doing great. Remember is also small for you. Can do it. I believe in. Stronger than you think. My sunshine. Stronger than the storm. Can overcome anything. Enjoy every moment. Follow your dreams. The best. Stay strong. Not alone. Never give up. Keep fighting. Awesome. The reason I smile. And hang in there. Better days are ahead. Now, I'm going to show you my samples, mine and Shannon samples, but Sylvia always makes a sheet for you to see how all of these lay out. So you can head to the product page of this stamp set to see how many different ways you can use all of these sayings. But let me show you our samples. Do you remember this guy? Do you remember I made this background on one of our live shows? And I really didn't plan to use it on anything, so I didn't go all the way to the top, but I still think it's pretty. And rather than waste that background that we made, Shannon just stamped You're My Sunshine on the front. Isn't that adorable? I love it. And then you have a nice big note card on the inside. Then I did this one. I wanted to show off as many sentiments from that set as I could. So this says, hello friend, remember. And when you open it, look at this. I love, you can overcome anything. I'm so proud of you. You're doing great. You're awesome. You're stronger than you think. You can do it. And you'll notice I used the small you and the small your with all the other sentiments to say all of these. I just thought that was really kind of neat. And then you have a space here to write, or if that's not enough room, you can always write on the back. But I thought that was so neat. And so that's sample number 2. And then here's Shannon's sample. This one says, you make a difference. And she did the 2 ways of using the cardstocks. You can see both sides of the card. Isn't that pretty? And that's actually a cut apart that she stamped on. And that's another reason we wanted this smaller word set, is so we could use it in places we normally can't. Because when we have just the big words, you can't always put these on stickers or ephemera or title pages, or even in your like folios and things. You can have smaller spaces. So that is it. You will be able to use this one everywhere. Another thing I want you to notice is we try to use capital font, but the reason for that is you don't have to worry about if you have the capitals used in the right place or not. They all work everywhere you want to use them. All right, you guys, that is our June set. It is called Say It with Encouragement. I think it is excellent. It's a great way to encourage people in your life that are maybe doing great or going through something, and you just want to remind them what they mean to you and how good they're doing. Hey, thanks so much for being a part of our club. And if you don't know, every month we give away a $50 gift card, and all you have to do to be entered is make a project using this stamp set, post it to our customer gallery at MaymayMadeIt.com, and you are entered, and you could be last month's winner. So be sure to check the top line of the description of this video to see if that is you. Hey, thanks so much for being here, and until next time, bye now.